Are you moving to Finland this August or September? Stop packing for a moment. Every year, thousands of students from Bangladesh, India, Nepal, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka make the same mistakes. They either bring things they never use or forget the items that become expensive or difficult to find in Finland. In this video, I will tell you exactly what you should bring, what you should leave behind, and share some important tips that also apply if you are moving to Sweden, Norway, Denmark, or Iceland. Let's start with the essentials. Before I continue, let's talk about something many students overlook: health insurance. Medical treatment in Finland can become expensive if you don't have proper insurance. Even if your residence permit requires insurance, choosing a reliable provider gives you peace of mind when unexpected health issues arise. That's why many international students choose Swisscare. They offer insurance plans designed especially for international students with coverage that can help meet residence permit requirements and protect you during your studies. Swisscare is actually one of the insurance suggested by Finnish Immigration Services. I will put the link in the video description, and which means it is fully compliant with the requirements. If you are still looking for student health insurance before arriving, I have included my Swisscare link in the video description. Take a look and compare the plans before you travel. First, bring all your important documents in both printed and digital copies. Keep your passport, residence permit decision, university admission letter, sponsorship documents, insurance documents, your country bank statement, vaccination records, and educational certificates safely stored. Secondly, bring enough prescription medicines for your first few months. If you take regular medication, carry the prescription in English. Third, bring a good laptop. Electronics are generally more expensive in the Nordic countries than in Asia. Fourth, pack a few sets of everyday clothes. Don't overpack, because you will probably end up buying clothes suitable for the local weather after you arrive. Now let's talk about things you should avoid bringing. Don't pack your entire wardrobe. Heavy winter jackets from South Asia usually ain't suitable for Nordic winters. It's better to buy proper winter clothing after you arrive in Finland. Avoid carrying large amounts of food. A small quantity of your favorite spices is fine, but remember that customs rules apply, especially for meat, dairy products, seeds, and fresh foods. Many South Asian grocery stores are available in major Finnish cities like Helsinki, Espoo, Vantaa, Tampere, and Turku. Don't bring too many kitchen utensils. Student apartments are small and you can buy affordable household items from IKEA, Jysk, Prisma, Tokmanni, or second-hand stores, and they are not so expensive. Also, don't carry excessive cash. Finland is almost completely cashless. A debit or credit card is much more useful than carrying hundreds of euros in cash. Here are a few tips that will make your life much easier. Download these useful apps before you move. Google Maps, WhatsApp, your university app, public transport app. For example, in Helsinki ASL, every city should have some kind of public transportation app. Mobile banking app after opening your bank account. Learn basic English communication and also some basic Finnish words before moving to Finland. In Finland and the other Nordic countries, almost everyone speaks English. Respect local culture. People value punctuality, honesty, personal space, and following rules. Don't expect to find a part-time job immediately. Bring enough savings to support yourself for the first few months while you search for work. Finally, don't isolate yourself. Join university orientation events, student associations, and local communities. Make more friends. friends. Building a network is one of the best investments you can make. If you are moving to Finland or another Nordic country this year, I wish you the very best for your new journey. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your friends who are coming to study here. If you have any question about studying or living in Finland, leave a comment below or I will do my best to help. See you in the next video.